sir. Good morning. So kung tayo ba ay naghahanap ng home-based ticketing business, ito po yung kadalasang tanong, okay? How po? Paano ba yan? Yan po ang madalas na tanong kung gustong magkaroon ng ticketing business, okay? So, kung mayroon naman po tayong Android phone, ayan, meron din po tayong mataas na data connection or Wi-Fi connection, okay, pwede na po tayong magsimula ng home-based ticketing business. At ito po yung package, magkakaroon po tayo ng negosyong ticketing, okay? Meron din po tayong bills payment, remittance, loading, insurance, RiceSmart, F-Marie & Co, and Wealthy Lifestyle. Plus, meron pa po tayong freebies na 110k Malayan Insurance, meron din tayong flyers and tarpaulin, plus meron din po tayong 30% discount sa lahat ng product, okay? Plus, meron din tayong 20% na discount sa F-Marie & Co. Ano po ba yung benefits, okay? No expiration, no quota, no cash ban, ayan. At lifetime business na natin po siyang mapapakinabangan, okay? For more details, please PM me directly. Okay, thank you so much.